y'all, let's look at solving systems by elimination. So in this problem, we want to eliminate one of the variables. So what in the world does that mean? So eliminate means get rid of it completely, get it out of the problem. And then a variable is either the x or the y. They're both variables, so we either want to get rid of the x's or get rid of the y's. So when you look at this problem, think about if you were to add the problems together. That's kind of different, isn't it? So if we were to add this together, by the way, that's what a system is. A system, all that means is a set of two or more equations. But that's what it's called. So that's all that means. Alright, so if I add these together, I'm going to get negative 7x, right? That doesn't eliminate anything. That just gives me a new number. If I add these together, 4 plus a negative 4 or 4 minus 4, that's 0. That gets rid of those y's. That's what I want to do. And in problems like this, that's all I have to do. Sometimes there's much more of an intense process, but for this one, that's it. So 4 minus 4 is 0, so that is gone. I've eliminated that. Let's bring down what we have left. So negative 6x minus, there's an understood 1 here, so that's negative 7x. And negative 4 plus 4, that's 0. So I'm going to divide by negative 7 on both sides. That leaves me with 0 divided by anything is 0. So x is 0. That's okay. Lots of times my students panic when they get x is 0 for some reason. Don't panic. It's okay. Alright, so we're solving a system. That means we're going to find this coordinate pair that we could plug into either equation and it would work. It would make a true equation. So that means that if we plug in an x here, we can solve and figure out what the y value is. So we're going to pick an equation. You get to choose. It doesn't matter which one you pick because the answer is the same thing either way. As long as you do it right, you'll get the same thing. Just make sure you pick one that's on the paper, printed on the paper. But these haven't changed, so we can go with one of these. I'm going to pick this one because it's just 1x and that's what I have here, and I don't know. That just looks simpler to me. So I'm going to pick this one. So negative, I wrote a 1 there, so I'm going to put that. X, well x is 0. So I'm plugging in or substituting the x with a 0. Minus 4y equals 4. Alright, so negative 1 times 0 is 0. So I have 0 minus 4y equals 4. Well, that just means nothing. Like, nothing minus 4y. So I don't even need that anymore. It's 0. It's not being multiplied. It's just being added or subtracted. So I am down to a one-step equation really fast. So I'm going to divide by negative 4. And 4 divided by negative 4 is negative 1. And I'm ready to write my answer. So solving this system, my answer is going to be a coordinate pair. X is 0. X always comes first, and y is negative 1. And that's it. You got this.